Okay, on this slide, when it asks you to describe the relationship as shown in the graph, the first thing that you should always check for is to see if you can see what the y-intercept is. In this case, it's right there. And that's what your equation, if it's in y equals mx plus b form, that's what your equation should end in, because your y-intercept is b. Okay, so y equals mx plus b. And remember, it could be minus b depending on where it hits it. So that should be step one. You should be able to eliminate some answer choices at that point. Step two is to find your slope. So I would find 2 points, like that's a good point and that's a good point. Any points where they hit the line perfectly, that one looks good right there. And then you can just do slope triangles. Remember, you have to go up or down first and then left or right, and that will help you narrow down what your slope is. The other thing is you can look, is the slope increasing or decreasing? If I wrote my name on there, it would be positive. So we know our slope, the number in front of x, must also be positive.